Hi guys, so this video is a follow-up on my previous video where I told you that my Instagram business account, my main account, has got deactivated for Instagram for impersonating someone else.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Now, this may have happened to you or to someone else that you know, so I hope that I can help you get your account back. If you want to know more about the first 24 hours and how I found out that my Instagram was deactivated, please watch my previous video. I have said there everything in depth, all my thoughts. That video was filmed yesterday. Now, in the first 24 hours, my account was blocked. I wasn't able to sign in at all. After that, I was able to lodge a complaint by trying to log in back into my account. So once I tried to log back after 24 hours, I was shown this message, and by clicking on that button, I was able to lodge a report that I contest that my account has been deactivated for impersonating someone else. So at this point, I wasn't given any opportunity to show my identity card or anything to verify my identity. So I've seen reports from other people who mentioned that immediately they were given a form to submit their photo or to send a video or to send an ID verification. However, for me, this didn't happen. All they asked me was for my email, my username, and also asked me to write the email address that I used to sign up for, that I linked it with that account. So at this point, I wasn't sure which was the address, so I had to go on my Facebook, find out which email account actually is linked with this profile, since I'm managing maybe 4 or 5 different business profiles that are all linked under my same Facebook. So I kept sending this report back for the second day. Maybe I sent it 6 or 7 times. And a lot of people during this time, they were messaging me, they're telling me, don't worry, you're gonna get it back once you verify your identity, once you submit your identification card or your picture. And I was getting increasingly panicking because I was not given even an email by Instagram. So everything that happened from the beginning, from when they disabled my account, I did not receive any formal communication. So I only discovered that my account was blocked when I tried to manually sign in. Some people said that you need to write a nice letter begging them to give you your account back. I did not do that. My last and final email, which I sent, that got replied, actually I just said I want my account back because this is me. I'm a real person that's running it. So I think it really depends from case to case. No one's case it's going to be the same, and I advise you to just don't give up. Keep sending forms, submit using a different email, because yeah, eventually they replied to me yesterday. So I'm going to read to you what this email said. Thanks for contacting us. Before we can help, we need to confirm that you own this account. Please reply to this email and attach a photo of yourself holding a handwritten copy of the following code. They gave me a 5-digit code, and then they said, please make sure that the photo you send includes the above code. It's handwritten on a clear sheet of paper, followed by your full name and username. Includes both the hand that is holding the sheet of paper and your entire face. It's well lit and not too small, dark, or blurry. Bear in mind that even if this account doesn't include any pictures of you or is used to represent someone else, we won't be able to help you until we've received the photo that meets this requirement. So then this is my reply that I sent to them. Hi Instagram team, thank you so much for your email. Please attach a copy of my photo together with the verification code. Appreciate your kind support to help me recover my Instagram page, and then in the brackets I put my username. Feel free to reach me out if you need any more information. So immediately after I sent this email, within 1 hour, I received a message on my personal Instagram page. This message was from one of my followers, and they informed me that, hey, you're back, your account is back. So other than this email requesting me to submit a photo verification standing and holding the code. I did not receive any confirmation, further confirmation, notice, information, communication, or anything from the Instagram team. So they didn't even inform me that they've approved my account. So yes, I'm very happy that I've got this account back now. I hope that you find this video useful. I'm going to link all the forms that I submitted with the tips on what to do and what not to do, and basically what worked for me. But bear in mind that what worked for me may not be the same case as you. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going and help more people recover their accounts.